everyone, good to see you. Ryan Ritchie, this is Six String Fun. Thanks for stopping by, much appreciated. We are kicking off 2024 with a song that I think is very appropriate. Iron Maiden's Wasted Years. And I'll be honest, all of 2023, I kept looking back on things, looking back and the times were so much better, this and that. And, that whole year kind of got by me from doing that. So I think stripping it down, number one, to the acoustic guitar made me appreciate the lyrics even more. And you sit there and you listen to it, and it was kind of like just, kicking the butt to get me going for 2024, to be honest. So this is going to be my anthem for 2024. We're going to do this really simple. If you know a couple of chords, we can do this. And I'll show you right now. The chords are going to be an E minor. We got a D. We got a C. And you can play the C add 9 if you want, but I like using the C better because it gives us that open E string there. So we got the C. There's an A minor. We've got a G. And again, I'm playing that G with the open B this time, right there. But a regular G should work. And that's kind of the song itself, the chords within the song itself. Take a listen to it. It'll be fun, I think. I think this will be a good one to kick off 2024. And just kind of, for housekeeping purposes, if you haven't checked out already or known about it, I do have a page on Buy Me a Coffee. So if you ever are in the mood, you want to stop by and just kind of check things out and just kind of say thank you and help me keep the lights on, sort of thing, would be much appreciated. But again, Buy Me a Coffee, there's a link in the description, and we'll go from there. But let's jump into this one, Wasted Years, Iron Maiden. All right, gang, so we're taking a look at this one, Wasted Years, Iron Maiden. As I mentioned, a couple chords. C. I got the G, a D, A minor, C, and for the most part, those are the chords that we will be using here. Throwing my glasses on, this is what happens when you get older, okay? So, now there's an intro to this, right? So the intro you're probably used to is kind of just that one string, right? Where you're picking the open E in between, right? We're going to avoid that. We're going to kind of just keep it real simple, nice open chiming strings basically, okay? So the simplest way to do it, it's going to be open E, open B. And I'm just kind of using my fingers to pick here. Let's kind of move that around. I'm going to move the camera just so you can kind of see what I'm doing here a little bit better. All right. So open E, open B. And I'm not much of a finger picking guy, so whatever works for you, go for it. All right. So E, B. Then I'm going to go to the first fret of the B string, and then the second fret of the third string. So all together. If I can get it right. And I'll pick it, make it easier again. And the thing to remember with this intro, if you can kind of keep that high E ringing as long as you can, you kind of hear it ringing out as you play some of the other notes. So we got the first four notes. All right, the next two notes: open B, open G. All right, then we got three more notes. We're going to just play these three notes and repeat the pattern with those three notes. So third string, second fret, fourth string, fourth fret, open third string again. And then we repeat it, just changing the tempo a little bit. So all together. And that's your intro. So again, open E, open B, first fret of the B string, second fret of the third string, open B, open G, second fret of the third string, fourth fret of the fourth string, open third string, and repeat it. So I'll do it one more time slowly. And these are the same notes we're playing here. Okay?
We're just we're using more of the open string technique at this point, okay? So that's how we're going to handle that one, and you're good, okay? It just kind of, now the other thing you can do, we can play some notes a little bit differently. And I'm just picking the open E, so this is an E is here. So you can start on this note, 2nd string, 5th fret. And then my other finger's picking the E string, open E, B string. You hear that? So you can make it. The whole point of this is not showing exactly how to do it. Make it your own. Work, do what works for you. That's what this is all about, okay? And we'll get into the chords of the song now. So it's going to come in when that riff is over. You're coming in on the E minor from the ghost, right? And make it your own. Just kind of pick to the D. Traveling on far and wide. All right, you could play those just straight chords like that. What I like to do is I like to take my pinky and incorporate 1st string, 2nd fret, that F sharp right there. Okay, hit it and then pull off so you got that opening. To the D. Alright, so make that your own, but it's just an E minor and a D. Alright. And then we're going to change it up a little bit. We're going to go to a C, to an E minor, to a D, back to the C. So let's put those pieces together. And you can play those embellishments any way you like. E minor again. To the D. And then we go to the C. E minor. D. Back to the C. And we're going to go back to that same pattern again. Close my eyes. And I think of home. Right there. E minor again. So we're repeating that whole structure just twice. Okay, so you got that right there. Alright, we're going to play that twice. Twice, right there. And then we go into the chorus. We're going to incorporate that G now. So, I can't sing because I don't have that range. Understand. When you get to stand, understand, you got to be on that D chord. Understand. All right, so G, C, and I'm keeping my pinky on the 3rd fret of the E string. To the D, and we go back to the C, A minor. All right, so basically 6 moves there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and then we go E minor. Time searching for those C, and repeat that whole chorus structure again. Face up. E minor, D, to the C. And now we're going to go back and repeat everything from the beginning of the first verse. To the D. Alright, so now at this point you're repeating everything we just did, okay? So it's verse to the chorus, and we're going back and repeating it, and then you're going to get to the solo part. And the solo part, really, I'm not going to get into because it's not. I don't think it's meant for this way we're doing it. What I would do is I would go back into the intro. right? I would go back and do that as long as you want, and then you come back into the chorus. And then you're going to take that out really to end the song. You know, play that chorus piece as much as you want, as little as you want. And then I would go back into... Right, I would do that. And when you know you're going to be done, that last time around, just slow it down. And then end on that E minor. That should do it for you. Really straightforward. Hopefully you enjoyed that one. You know, again, looking forward to a great 2024. I think this is a great way to kick it off, so I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to go to buymeacoffee.com, check it out. I'm going to have some, you know, members-only type of stuff in there as well YouTube as well. Behind-the-scenes stuff I haven't really done before, but, you know, it's up to you to check it out if you have any interest, but I would appreciate it if you just kind of stopped by and said hi. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks very much, guys and gals. All right, bye.